Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a background like the following with JS and CSS, only JavaScript and CSS code. So also the code and the images will be linked in the description as usual. And let's go to the code and see what we need to start. So first of all, what we will need is a background, okay? Or you could leave it any color you need it. Except the white, because the white color is not accepted because the default is white. The default of this bubbles is white. So what we will need is the first is a background. You could use it as you want, any background you could use. The second is to download the package, which is like the following, which is particles.js. You could search in the network and you will find the bubbles the file that you want. Just write here, for example, particles download free. Okay, it's free by the way. So and then see click, you will find a link directly. Click that link and download it. After you download it, you will extract it and you will find the file like the following. Okay, so over here we have free particles stock video. It's like the following. You select particles.js download. When you click particles.js download, you will get many links over here or in the GitHub. You will click on that link and you will you will go to the GitHub and you will get the file over here, download it and extract it over there. I have downloaded that file, okay, and I've extracted. I will need only one file, which is the particles.js. So I will go and take that particles.js to this place. Wait until that file is copied. Okay. The file copied now. Okay. Now I will go to my editor. In my editor, let's go to the code. Where is the code? I have file called the code. Let's return. Where is the place? It's code in lesson 5. So go to lesson 5. This is lesson 5. This is the code. Okay, so over here I will create an empty HTML file. I will see HTML. I will see bubbles. Okay, then we have here an empty file, HTML file. Let's create another JavaScript file which would be also empty. Let's see bubbles, custom bubbles. Okay, we are here. So let's link these files to the HTML. I will say script, and over here I will say the first, src, and let's say we have the first, which is particles.js, and the second element would be the custom bubbles.js. Okay, now we have linked them. Then we will create a div or any DOM element. We have it. Let's see div, and over here I will say an ID. Let's say ID bubble ID. Okay, so let's save it. And now I have a specific code over here. We should paste here some code. Then I will copy that code. You will get that code in the description below. So you will visit my website and get that code. So here I will need the ID over here, and I will paste that ID over here inside this function, which will override the function over here. The name of this function could be found, the name of this particles.js function could be found here. So the elements that we added to this function will override the elements over the original function. Elements and function. So the first element is the ID of the div element that we wanted. Second is the attribute or the parameter that we will need them. Okay, so let's return to the HTML. Here I will add some style code. Let's see here. Okay, style. Then here I will see the body. Let's say I need the padding is 0, and let's set the margin also to 0. Great. Then I will go to the ID, we have it here, and I will change its background. Let's see bubble ID, then let's see background image, and change the image that we have it over here, which is 7. Sorry, we should have URL. Then we will see the name of the image. Great. Then we will see background image size. Okay, and let's say 100 pixel, 100 percent, and 110% too. Sorry, 10. Okay. Now if we refreshed, if we click that element over here, let's save it over. When we click over here, the background image will be over there. Okay, let's wait till we get. Let's close this. Okay, now the element is over here and working perfectly. Okay, so this is how to create it. Let's go to the code and see what we have created. So first of all, we have 2 parameters. Sorry, first one is particles. Inside the particles, we have the number of elements we need it. We have only 50 bubble. Then we have the color. To add multi-colors, just add an array like the following and add the color you wanted. For example, I will add a black color here. I will say hash 000. Save it, and there would be a new color which is black. Look, like this color is black. Great. Also, we have the opacity that we needed. We could increase it, we could decrease it, we could delete it also if we don't need any opacity. So we could see 8, we could see, for example, let's see 4. So the opacity will be a lot of I mean, it's so it's not clear. I mean, let's return it back, then save it. Then you could enable the animation here. Means the animation of the elements here means how many changing from high and min opacity. For example, here the main opacity is 8, but the main opacity over here is 3. So you could see how many speeds you needed to be changed. For example, let's see 5, and let's see what is the difference will be. So I will save that file, go to here, refresh, look how many changing between the opacity over here. Or for example, focus on that element, it's changed to black and white so much, which is the animation. Let's return it back. And then we have also the shape, which is circle, and the stroke has a white, which is a color which is white, and the width, which is 0.5, and the other things, the size, and no linked. If we need to link it, we will see. Let's see if we link them. They will be like they are joined together. So sometimes you will need it. Look here, there's a link between them. We could adjust that link, and you will know them another time. Let's see. Root back, save it, and here we have the interactivity, which we have no action when we have hover. When we hover, we don't need any action, but when we click, we need to be to create 12 element. We could increase it and see, for example, 50 element. Let's see 50 element and see what would be the difference. When we click, it will create 50 bubble. Okay, it's like a bomb. Okay, great. So let's return back, and we need it as it's usual. So refresh. Now when we click, it will create 12 bubble. So this was the lesson for this session. Thanks for watching and listening, and see you in the next. Bye for now.